beautiful moms and dads. Today we are doing a DIY. I took this table and chairs and turned it into this. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. So this table was actually given to me by my auntie, and it was sitting outside and collecting dust, and anyway, she got a new set and gave me the old one. So let's get this cleaned up and taken apart. I'm going to be using the Valspar chalk paint, and I got it from my local Home Depot if I'm not mistaken. So now we're just going to unscrew the bottoms to the chairs so that we can clean them off, paint them, and reupholster. Of course, we have to wipe down the table completely before we can put any paint. Even though chalk paint is super easy to use, you don't have to do any priming, and that is why I love it. So here I'm getting on my very first coat. I do have the chalk paint brush, and I'm not sure, I think I purchased that paintbrush actually from Walmart if I'm not mistaken. Let me tell y'all, doing the chairs with all the grooves was so super hard. Like, seriously, it was a challenge, but I got it done. The chairs probably took me the longest, I will say that. So I did a total of 2 coats, if I'm not mistaken. Then I went back in with the wax coat. I will tell you guys, I was not pleased with the wax coat, so I did go back and do a polyurethane coating. And now we're covering the seats. This was super easy. All you needed was your staple gun and some fabric, like super easy. Make sure you pull it nice and tight and staple it down. And here you can see a finished seat. And that is it, guys. I love the way it came out. Like, I adore the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and follow me on my social media platforms, Fun with Chair Bear on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I'll see you guys in the next one.